Hello everybody. We are discussing about Microsoft Word. Once we create a document, now very important thing is to get the printout. So we are going to discuss today about the printout, how we are going to take the print. So let's we discuss certain terms which is used very commonly, hard copy and soft copy. So what is hard copy and what is soft copy? Whenever you are creating any file or document which is saved in your computer, that is actually termed as soft copy. Very easily we can send these soft copies from one computer to another via emails, via pen drives. And on the other side there is another term which is used, that is hard copy. So hard copy is basically when we take the printout. Whatever things are there in our computer, once we get the hard copy, that means we have taken the printout on a sheet of paper, and that paper we can carry with us. Any information within the soft copy, for seeing such type of information we need computer. Without opening computer we cannot see the soft copy, but in case of hard copy you are free to carry with you, you can see it anytime. While giving presentation, handout there is one term which is used, which is basically hard copy of the presentation, which is distributed to the audience so that they can refer during the presentation, or they can carry them such hard copies with them, so whenever they require they can refer to it. Now Control P is a shortcut key to get the print dialog box. Print dialog box is very important. Before taking a printout we have to click OK button from the print dialog box. So whenever you want to open the print dialog box, either you can use shortcut key Control plus P, or you can go to the Office button or File menu. Somewhere you will find Office button, and in some cases you will find File. So when you click on this one, you will get an option of Print. So when you click on the Print option, you will get three things. Either you can use Quick Print. Quick Print means you are not going to do any changes in the setting, and immediately you need one copy of your document. So you just click Print and Quick Print. So Office button, File, Print and Quick Print. Second thing is Office button or File, when you click on Print option and go to the print preview. So what actually happen? Whatever your document you have created, you are actually checking your document through print preview. If there is any problem, if your document doesn't look good, something is missing, you can make correction. And if everything is okay, so you can give a print command from the print preview. You can see over here, when we open the print preview, this is the ribbon area where you will get the print command. You can change the margin, orientation, size if you feel any problem is there in print preview. After opening print preview, if you are not going to give the print command from this tab or this window, then you can close your print preview. So once you close the print preview, again follow the same procedure, go to the Office button, then Print, and then click on again Print. So once you click on Print, you will find that a print dialog box will be appear. In this particular dialog box, very important thing is that you have to specify the name of the printer. When we are having a networking, we are having many printers, so we have to decide from which printer we have to take the printout. Maybe it may be a black and white printer, it may be colored, it may be a laser, or it may be a dot matrix printer. So from which printer you want the print, so select that printer. But if there is only one printer which is connected with the computer, there is no problem. By default that will be selected. Now second thing is, if you have to set the properties or change the properties of that printer, you have the option over here. There is a button and you can make changes. Now there is an option of page ranges. You will find certain option when you see under page ranges. Page ranges, the very first option is all. Like when you are making a document and your document is consist of like 5 pages and you need the print of all the 5 pages, so you have to select it all. By default it is selected. That means you will get the print of each and every page of your document. But there are certain other options like current page. Current page means whenever we are working in a document, somewhere our cursor is lying. So on which particular page our cursor is lying, that is our current page. So we are having one option of current page. If I am interested to take the printout of the third page, so I have to keep my or left my cursor on the third page and select option of current page. So wherever only one page your cursor is lying, and that was the current page. So taking the printout of single page, but only thing is that you have to keep your cursor on that particular page, then only this will be useful. Otherwise you will not get the desired printout. Then we come to the pages. Like my document is consists of 20 pages, but I am not interested to take the print of all the pages. Why I am going to waste all the pages if I am interested to take the print of only 5 pages? And it is not necessary all the 5 pages are in a sequential manner. Like I need the print of page number 1, page number 7, 8 and page number 13, 14. So how I am going to write it? So page number 1 I am going to write 1, then 7 and 8 or 9. So comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, or you can write 7-9. That means from 7 to 9 you need the print of all the pages. Then put again a comma. 14, 15, then write dash 14 dash 15. Or if you want the page of from 14 to 17, then write 14 dash 17. So these are the two things which you have to use over here. One is comma for separating the pages, and for continuous page, instead of writing the number of each page, you can write the first page and the last page, which are in continuous manner. Like 14 to 17, you can write 14-17. Now come to the selection. Now what is selection? Sometimes when we create a document, we are not interested to take the printout of each and every line. So what we are going to do, we just drag our mouse pointer and select few lines. So when we select few lines from that particular page, so if we select this option, that is selection, that means whatever text I have selected, you will get the printout of that text. Rest of the text below it or above it, that will not appear. So only you will get the printout of the selected text. So these are the 4 options which you will get in page range. And these are the very useful before taking the printout. Now we are having number of copies. It is not a good idea if we have to take the printout of 50 students. So we have to give 50 times print command. So there is a number of copies. Here you can see a spinner is there. There is no need to type anything over here. You just press the button above one and the below one. If you press the above one, you will find the number is in increasing order. And if you press the lower button, you will find that the number will start reducing. So once you get the appropriate number, that is number of copies, you will get such copies immediately. There is no need to give the print command again and again. Like I need the 25 copies of any document, so I am going to mention 2525 over here and then click OK button. Now come to there is another option in the print dialog box, that is collate. Whenever we are taking the number of copies of our documents, sometimes we face problem. What type of problem? Like my document is consist of 10 pages and I have to take the copies, 50 copies for 50 students. If I am not going to select the collate option, how it will be printed? First, my printer will print the 50 copies of first page, then 50 copies of second page and 50 copies of 10th page in this manner. But if I am selecting the collate option, what it will do, it will just print 1 to 10 pages. That means one complete document. One set will be appear. Then it will print again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is how it will printing one by one all set. That means there is no need to rearrange such hard copies to making the set and distribute the people. So collate option is very interesting, very important when we are taking multiple copies of documents and our document is consist of many pages. So there is no need to rearrange the things. Whenever you take out the printout, you can take out 5 or 10 pages very easily, because that is a complete set. Now there is one option over here. Once you prepare your document, still you will feel that some correction is required, you can go into the option button. You can change the margin, and there are certain other options are there that you can set, and then click OK button. So this is all about your print dialog box. So this is very important. Once we complete the document, we have to take the printout. If we know all such type of things, it will make our work easier.